everyone, and welcome to another playthrough of Resident Evil 2. Last time we did some stuff. What's that? Oh, nice. Aw, Sherry. Hope you're okay, girl. Anything else in this room? Nope. Let's go in here and see. Oh, it's bloody in here. My goods. The zombie. Is he dead? Woman zombies, run! So what I have for... No! You stupid woman! That zombie's back again?
You asshole.
Burned with acid. Damn the zombie. Give me that back. Hello.
Our menu is designed for your nutritional needs using our latest biological research. Please enjoy our tasty selection.
You're not helping, lady on the intercom. Thank you. Can the zombies come up the... No, I don't want to go down there. Zombie. What's down there anyway? Needle cartridges for this thing. Huh. Some gunpowder. And another knife! Yay! And hey, look, they got scrambled eggs. They got some Haggerburgers, some pancakes, another scrambled eggs, some stuff in the air fryer. Nice. Oh, you bastard! No! Again with my knives! Quit going at me! No! Damn zombie! Burn in the spring to hell! Yay! Don't get burned up, Claire. Okay, reload this. Reload this. Hey, look! Yay! Let's combine it with the one we got from Sherry. Yay! That's on. Keep this. What's this this do? Oh, that's that. Nothing in there. Oh, what's that? Oh, sweet. Nice. Flame rounds! Yay! Did that zombie die? Yay, finally. What? One of the zombies in! You. Okay.
Dr.
Can
Lee,
go over there
your presence
now.
is urgently requested by Chief Cartwright in the East area.
Huh. Wayne Lee was that guy. Or girl, whatever. I can't tell the zombie in the... What can I do? Brrr. 14. Good. Take that out. Good. Hopefully this works this time, because recording device is being a douchey to me, but hopefully this will work. Huh.
So, the antiviral agents in the West area.
Alright. I'm gonna put back my handgun, or... I'll put this guy away. Move this guy over. Do I need this still? Put that away. Put these here. Put that here. Have to take those. Put them there. Put that here. Take this. Put it over there. Alright. Let's go into the place that we need to go. Oh, that's east. And that's west. And I'm sure for the west area, yeah, you need a 3 access point.
Senior staff clearance required for bridge access.
I got a herb. Oh crap. Bugs everywhere. Lovely. Herb! Herb! Yes! Give me that herb. We got poison stuff, we got like other stuff. There's some gunpowder. Where is it? Where is it? What's over there? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Yay. Now I can combine it with the large. Got so many handgun bullets, it's funny. Which is good. buddy. What's up? He has the 3 ID card that we need.
God, that's terrible.
Alright then. That's an oldie computer. What's that way? Came from there. I'm sure this is locked. Yeah. He looks like a butterfly. For this part, I should. Hello, buddy. What's up?
What the hell is up with you?
Burn! A flash grenade. Well, is it different than last time? But I got the key codes. I got the key codes. I can do. The one is this one. This one. This one to this one. Okay. And then this one should be. This one, and this one, and this one, to this one. What? This one, to this one. Oh. The thinner one, then this one, then this one. There we go. Nice.
Dispensing solution now.
It's a garden with a bunch of worthless creatures. Yay, can I carry it with me? Nope. So I locked that area and that area. Huh, I see. Is that zombie dead? God, look at that thing. Ugh, my God. Goodness, that is creepy. So, I should put, no, recording device. Piece of crap.